It was that special time of year, and ChromebookParts.com was filled with the spirit of holiday cheer and potluck lunches. I had more than prime rib and green bean casseroles on my mind, however. My hunger could only be sated by one thing, and one thing only.
This year for Christmas, I want an Acer R756T 2-in-1 Chromebook with 8 GB of RAM, world-facing camera, 2 USB-C ports, and a digital pen. I think every student should have a Chromebook. They're very good for Christmas. I don't think an iPad's a very good Christmas present. Yeah, that's great.
You cracked the screen, Shane.
You'll crack the screen? The words of every school IT director in the world rang through my head like the dreaded tardy bell. I quickly pivoted.
Just kidding. I'll probably just ask for another USB-C charger or something.
A narrow escape. Bean counters would never understand the allure of cutting-edge personal computing. With the letter sent, all I had to do was sit back and wait.
It's here.
Already? Bring it in, bring it in!
Could it be? Were they really that fast? Mere seconds had passed, but there was magic in the air.
Frickin'. Lenovo. Must be Italian.
The carton was enormous. My mind raced with the possibilities of new Chromebook technology contained within. Surely we were living in a wondrous future.
It's a touchscreen.
Yeah, a touchscreen.
A measly LCD. My dreams were dashed upon the rocks of disappointment. Once again, I was going to be chromeless on Christmas.
There's always next year, buddy. Besides, you probably would have cracked the screen.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that over there?
Thanks, guys.
This was it. My eyes could not believe the magnificence on display. The textured back cover, the silky smooth screen, the responsive keyboard. Nothing could ruin this perfect moment.
Just don't crack the screen.
Guys, I'm not gonna crack.
Oh no, I had cracked the screen. What could I do now? Who could save Christmas?
So an icicle fell, and it knocked it out of my hands, and the Chromebook hit the floor, and it cracked the screen.
Should be no problem. Won't take long.
I had pulled it off.
Hey, is that a gyro sensor?
For one brief, terrifying moment, I saw the glint of flying metal silhouetted against the fluorescent lights. I couldn't stop what happened next.
Oh, fudge.
But I didn't say fudge.
What did you say?
Spudger.
That's what I thought you said. You gonna pick those up?
Yep.
And just like that, all was right with the world again. Minus a screw or two.